incredible sight, BICOL Loco Festival fills the air. In the Philippines, we're going up, no cares. Mayan volcano standing tall, majestic peak beneath the blue sky.
Welcome to the first ever BICOL Loco Festival, a weekend of everything that flies, here in Legazpi City in the Philippines, and in the shadow of the most beautiful volcano in the world, also known as my own. Yes, this weekend is full of balloons, stunt planes, drones, paramotors, kites. There's music, there's lights, there's heat, there's food, lots of more heat. This is the summer here in the Philippines, so it's gonna be hot. Let me show you what it's like at the BICOL Loco Festival. Let's do the thing.
Hot air balloons in the sky, colors bright, stunt planes flying high. An incredible sight, BICOL Loco Festival fills the air. In the Philippines, we're going up, no cares. Mayan volcano standing tall, majestic peak beneath the blue sky. And as we see balloons rising gently, floating free. Stunt planes twisted and adrenaline spree. Majestic peak beneath the blue sky.
University has a flight simulator. Let's go check it out. Ooh, that is touchy. Do some maneuvers. They have booths for every branch of the military here, in case you want to join the military.
We remain to be a forward-looking Navy as full speed to the
F-A-50s. Wow, the Army has quite a display here. Letting people try on the equipment. Your turn to try the machine gun? Wow. The pink just goes with the aesthetic.
I don't know kung and of course, YouTube. Ilang lakas ng loob, tibay ng usod,
They're about to do a flower dropping competition. It's where they turn flower bags into bombs and try to hit a target on the runway. This will be fun.
For a 7 accompanied by student pilot Rafael Muciojad. For their first try, hitting the X bar.
Ooh.
They look like bird poop.
Bird poop?
Yeah.
Student pilot Legazpi, Captain Luis Cruz, and student RT349, piloted by Captain Kid Sasat.
So not only a weekend of flying, they also have drifting too. Drifting on a runway. Sounds awesome. Wish I could do it. It's awesome that they have paramotors here. It's basically guys that attach huge fans to their backs and fly around with their parachutes. Check it out, it's pretty neat.
Fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher, sky lines and clouds are below us now, skyward bound.
Alright, so now that it's turning dark, I think they're gonna do a drone light show for one, but they're gonna end with a hot air balloon glow up. A hot air balloon glow?
Not blow up.
I mean, they're kind of glowing up. A hot air balloon glow. They're not gonna fly anywhere, but they're gonna light up. It's gonna be cool.
Then there's a music bed.
The concert is gonna be the cap to the night, but I don't think we're gonna stick around for that because we woke up at like 5 a.m. for this.
An incredible sight, BICOL Loco Festival fills the air. In the Philippines, we're going
Hello, BICOL.
Neon volcanoes standing tall, majestic peak. Balloons rising gently, floating.
And they're rotating. Wow.
Stars twisting, and adrenaline spree. We rise and soar above it all. Embrace the thrill and BICOL. Time stands
Thank you all so much for watching and experiencing the first ever BICOL Loco Festival with me. Let me know in the comments if you would go to the next one. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure you subscribe for more off the beaten path content from the Philippines. Take care.